Well, hello everyone. Ashanti is here with Profit Mode Financial Services. I hope that you are having an amazing day. I wanted to just come on here real quick and give you, some creative energy in relation to coming up with a way to make an additional side hustle for yourself. If you own a drone camera or if you own a camera, a good opportunity for you to make additional income is to become a provider of B-roll footage. There are multiple parties who need B-roll footage. Documentarians, people in producers or filmmakers in Hollywood, also people on YouTube who create channels need B-roll footage. So if you have a drone, you can get those beautiful city skylines and people will pay to use that content for their and insert that into their film to establish a story that took place, let's say in New York, and you have a skyline drone shot of New York. You can actually upload that to a website that you're a part of and get paid royalties on that. This is an amazing way to put your camera equipment to work and then create passive income for yourself. Okay. Also, YouTube channels like Alux and Brightside, they utilize B-roll footage within their content to better tell and articulate a story visually. Okay. So this is a great opportunity for you to make additional income. And I'm going to go over and I'm going to show you the website. This website is Storyblocks. So to become a contributor to Storyblocks, the one thing that you need to do is go over to contribute.storyblocks.com and pretty much fill out this application in order to become a contributor to their network of content providers. And people actually go here if they're creating a film or music videos, all types of things in order to find the B-roll footage that they like. And I'm going to give you a nugget. There's not a lot of diversity as it pertains to B-roll footage, but more diversity in film is happening. So if you have people in your life that represent, various people around the globe, this is a great opportunity to create additional money because there is a void in the market for diverse scenes and diverse B-roll footage. Okay. So definitely check out Storyblocks. If you have a drone, if you have a camera, go ahead and get to work and put it to work. And then you upload it and literally it becomes a passive income source for you. All right. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up because it's definitely a free way for you to help out the channel. Subscribe to the channel because we always have tax saving tips and money making opportunities on this channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video from us. Also, if you are looking to make your side hustle legitimate by creating an LLC, we help individuals create LLCs within the state of Texas. So if you need to get an LLC created, definitely click the link below and fill out the form and we will help you to get your LLC created in the state of Texas. If you are a do-it-yourself type of person, we also have a class showing you step by step how to create your LLC in the state of Texas. Okay. Your life is not going to be created just by out of thin air. You are going to have to plan it and create it yourself. So definitely take the time out to do that. And one of the first steps is to create a business as opposed to, just doing it, going, by the seat of your pants. So definitely, if you're looking to get an LLC done, reach out to us. We will help you get it done, or you can actually take the class and we'll show you how to do it. All right. Until next time, stay profitable and stay great. And I'll see you next time. Bye.